Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we'll be exploring 10 inspiring ways to make your home feel luxurious every single day. From elegant details to small lifestyle touches, these ideas are simple yet transformative. Let's dive in. The entryway sets the tone for the entire home. A clean, well-organized space with a bench, hooks, and storage baskets feels welcoming and sophisticated. Adding a mirror creates the illusion of space while ensuring you look polished before leaving, creating a seamless blend of function and style. Luxury is about the little details. Place a decorative tray for keys, fresh flowers, or a sleek lamp on a console table. These touches transform a simple passageway into a refined statement. An organized entryway not only keeps clutter at bay but also makes every arrival feel special. A coffee table is more than a functional surface. It's a stage for curated elegance. Stack a few beautiful coffee table books, add a scented candle, and finish with a decorative tray. This arrangement creates intentional layers, balancing sophistication with a lived-in comfort that feels effortless. Varying heights and textures are key for visual appeal. Incorporate a small plant or sculptural object to introduce personality. The goal is to make your coffee table both stylish and practical, a reflection of your taste. With thoughtful curation, this focal point instantly elevates the living room's luxury. Dining at home can feel as indulgent as eating at a fine restaurant. Crisp linens, elegant dishware, and coordinated glassware instantly transform an ordinary table into a luxurious setting. Even weeknight dinners become memorable experiences when attention is given to detail, creating an atmosphere of refinement and warmth. Add a simple centerpiece like fresh flowers or candles to heighten the mood. A statement chandelier above the table enhances ambience, providing both light and drama. By elevating your dining space, meals become more than nourishment. They become cherished moments of connection and luxury, enjoyed every day. Your bedroom should feel like a sanctuary, and bedding plays a central role in that experience. Crisp cotton sheets, plush pillows, and a cozy duvet replicate the indulgence of a boutique hotel. Investing in high-quality fabrics ensures comfort, style, and restful sleep every single night. Layering adds both depth and sophistication. Pair lightweight throws with accent cushions in rich textures such as velvet or linen. Neutral tones maintain a serene mood, while subtle accents create character. Luxurious bedding is more than comfort. It's about curating a haven that makes daily rest feel extraordinary. A single striking piece of furniture can define an entire room. Whether it's a velvet accent chair, a marble coffee table, or a sculptural sideboard, statement furniture anchors the space. It adds personality and a sense of artistry, proving that luxury often lies in standout details. Balance is crucial when introducing such pieces. Let the statement item take center stage, while other furniture supports it with clean lines and subtle tones. This harmony prevents clutter and highlights your chosen piece. Statement furniture transforms ordinary spaces into sophisticated interiors filled with character and refinement. Luxury isn't only about what you see, it's also about what you hear. Soft background music creates atmosphere, setting the mood for relaxation, productivity, or entertaining. A small speaker system or smart device seamlessly integrates into your home while providing that invisible layer of elegance. Create playlists for different times of day. Calming tones in the morning, soft jazz in the evening, or instrumental pieces for focus. Music personalizes your environment, transforming routine moments into experiences. By curating sound just as you curate decor, your home gains an immersive sense of luxury. Metallic finishes instantly add glamour and depth. Gold, brass, and silver accents on light fixtures, mirrors, or cabinet handles elevate even the simplest designs. These reflective elements catch the light, bringing warmth and a subtle sparkle that enhances the overall richness of a space. Less is more when using metallics. A brass lamp, gilded mirror, or gold-trimmed tray adds sophistication without overwhelming. Pair metallic accents with neutral backdrops for maximum impact. These touches provide a timeless luxury that complements both classic and modern interiors, proving small details make a big difference. Scent is a powerful way to define luxury at home. A well-chosen fragrance creates atmosphere, making a space feel elegant and inviting. Candles, diffusers, or essential oil blends with natural ingredients enrich the air, leaving a lasting impression on guests and enhancing your daily experience. Scents like lavender, sandalwood, or citrus adapt beautifully to different moods. Change fragrances seasonally for freshness, or establish a signature scent that becomes uniquely yours. Pair fragrance vessels with stylish design to blend decor with aroma. High-quality scents complete a sensory experience of true everyday luxury. Nature instantly elevates any home. Fresh flowers add color and fragrance, while lush greenery brings life and texture. A simple bouquet on the dining table or a leafy plant in the corner transforms the space into something vibrant, grounding luxury in natural beauty and freshness. Greenery also improves air quality and promotes calm. Use unique vases or planters to match your decor, turning arrangements into living art. Whether you choose weekly flowers or long-lasting plants, Incorporating nature bridges sophistication with comfort, making your home feel alive and luxuriously welcoming. A bathroom can feel like a daily retreat with the right touches. Plush towels, soft bath mats, and elegant dispensers create a spa-like environment. Add a small stool or tray for candles, plants, or bath salts, instantly turning routine rituals into moments of indulgence. Lighting is equally important. Soft, warm bulbs or dimmable fixtures enhance relaxation, while natural light keeps the space airy. Neutral tones paired with natural textures like stone or wood amplify serenity. A spa-inspired bathroom is a sanctuary, offering everyday luxury that nurtures both body and mind. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips inspired you to add a touch of luxury to your everyday living. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more home inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.